What's good, my YouTube family? Anyway, I'm gonna be showing y'all how to add personality to your vocals. You don't want to be sounding like Justin Bieber on a Jay Breezo type beat or a J. Breezy type beat. You don't want to sound like J. Breezy on a fucking goddamn Taylor Swift type beat or Nicki Minaj type beat. Or you don't want to sound like Sexy Red on fucking New York Drill. You know what I'm saying? This is how you add certain personality traits to your vocals. You know what I'm saying? Alright, let's get into this shit, man. So step one, you wanna feel your beat out. You wanna feel what heartfelt message you wanna put on this beat. Unless you make some lit shit. You make some lit shit, I got another video coming for that. Church. I got another video. I got y'all, boy. So you want to fill out your beat. So I'm gonna fill this beat out real quick. Oh shit. And once you feel your beat out, then you want to think of some shit you want to lay down on the beat. So then your second step is literally record. Just record. So when you get done laying down some shit, come back to the video. All right, now that you done, now we move on to mixing your main vox, right? Your main vocals. You got your shit laid out. Now you got your main vox. And you looking at add something to it. Maybe some ambience. Maybe some roughness. Maybe some smoothness. Maybe some shine and shimmer to it. You know what I'm saying? Something. Alright, so let's see. Alright, we got auto-tune on. You know, everybody got auto-tune unless you making no auto drill. You still can add personality to that too, which I'm gonna make at a later video. And so one of my number one things to add is delay. Come on, man. Come on, that's common fucking sense. It's delay. It's delay. So I'm gonna play this with no delay, then with the delay.
Gave it all that I had. If I fall, would you laugh? I've been inside of my head lately, feeling my clips. It's only so much I can think about.
Alright, so that's my raw box, and then this with the delay.
Gave it all that I had. If I fall, would you laugh? I've been inside of my head lately, feeling my clips. It's only so much I can think about.
You see what I'm saying? It added something to it. Like if you listen to this in some decent quality headphones, like if you listen to these in some Pro Maxes, bro, I promise you that left right shit. Oh my god, that shit'll make you nut. Pause. But yeah, and then now you want to come under this shit with some ad-libs and layering. So let me show you what layering is. So you see, where is it? Do I layer in the beginning? So this is my layering. These are my 2 layering presets. I haven't dropped these yet. Secret sauce. But so basically layering is when you repeat the main part of the song, which is what you repeat, what you say with your main vox. You come back under it with basically a ad-lib preset or some sort, but I make a layering preset specifically for layering and for certain songs. So with this song, I noticed that this song is kind of dark and just a little bit bouncy, but still keeps the tone of darkness. You know what I'm saying? So I decided to add some little altar boy on this and put it at -65. If you don't know what little altar boy is, it's basically like the Jace demon voice, but it's a plug-in, okay? And I put some Convolver on it, and Convolver is basically it's like delay, but like it's kind of like a ghost effect. You know what I'm saying? It's delay, but a ghost effect type shit, right? And then reverb, It's reverb. I got the dry turned up mostly and the wet down. If you side chain, you don't have to have your wet all the way up, by the way, if you side chain. And then this is how the layering sounds. Layering, I'm gonna just play the layering without the main vox. And then this is with the main vox.
If I fall, would you laugh? I've been inside of my head lately, feeling my clip. It's only so much I can think about. Bitch, I'm no problem, they won't hear me out. They out up and left, bitch, I'm down and out. Man.
And that's like the layering. And you can also do ad-libs with your layer presets, which, like, yeah, you can do that. And I like to layer left and right. You don't have to do that. If you have like a decent layering preset, you can just do one layer. But I like to do left and right just for like I'm gonna say ear candy type shit. And then you can really just spam whatever. And then I put this ghost ad-lib in the background. It's just to add texture, you know what I'm saying? So it's never a dull moment in the song. The song never goes quiet. Like, listen. That's just to add. Shut the fuck up. That's just to add texture. Literally, that's it. That's all it's there for. You cannot hear this in the song unless it goes extremely quiet type shit. Or you could hear it when my vocals, I'm kind of low in the voice a little bit. You can hear the little ghost, the little ooh, and that's just to add texture. And it really isn't to be a main part of the song, to me at least. So yeah, that's it. That's how you add. I don't know if I'm gonna name this add personality to your vocals or to your songs, but it's the same thing, to be honest. Like, your ad-libs just complement your vocals. That's all I use my ad-libs for. And sometimes I like to leave my main vox dry and have my ad-libs like wet, and then spam them hoes and repeat do the ad-libs and to delay my damn self, you know what I'm saying, damn near. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, turn on the notification, and I'll see y'all boys in that one. Peace.